Hello everyone and welcome to this video presentation. Today we will explore a systematic review of two groundbreaking software engineering studies. Our focus is analysis of web testing and generative AI in the software development lifecycle. We'll examine how modern automation tools are shifting paradigms, key challenge facing web testing, and how generative AI is radically reshaping developer workflows. First, let's dive into our first journal, titled Web Ice Testing Challenge and Opportunities, authored by Sebastian Balsam and Dipti Misa, published in 2025. In this research, the author conducted a highly structured systematic literature review, mapping 72 episcopal papers published between 2013 and 2023. Their analysis highlights a massive architectural transformation over the decades, specifically the evolution from traditional static web page to highly dynamic asynchronous single page and Ajax-based application. They also mapped how global tools and research maturity have grown over time. When looking closely at the primary testing focus, we see distinct technical challenge. The research dominantly centered on resolving fragile DOM elements and fixing broken locator that fails as the UI evolves. Crucially, detecting errors in asynchronous JavaScript or Ajax execution cycle remains a major pain point. On a positive note, open source automated tools built on DOM navigation graphs have switched by over 30% compared to the prior decade. However, the study highlights a critical reality check, the inertial relevance gap. Out of 72 academic papers analyzed, only 6 were validated using Rails. Industrial scale application, the vast majority still rely on small academic projects or outdated frameworks. This leaves a severe implementation gap between academic tools and the complex microservice architecture of modern enterprise software. Now, let us shift our focus to second journal, Generative AI, the Future of Software Development, published by Jaco Sauvola in 2024. This study views generative AI, especially large language model like GPT-4, as a major disruptive catalyst rather than just a simple utility. These models act as active developer co-pilots. Generative code automation can scale developer productivity by massive 20 to 50%, especially in repetitive cycles. Ultimately, this transforms sequential agiles and DevOps sprints into fast-paced, highly adaptive parallel workflows. The authors outline four progressive scenarios for AI integration. In scenario 1 and 2, human hold all critical roles using AI in tiny portion for boilerplate code or basic documentation. By scenario 3, AI dominates the creation cycle up to initial testing, leaving human to focus on orchestrating workflows. Finally, in scenario 4, AI operates almost independently, changing the human role entirely to high-level system overview, security auditing, and ethical validation. Here, we map how these integration scenarios affect real-world software development operation. For legacy and maintenance operation, will shift from traditional manual edits to scenario to LLM legacy logics conversion. For brand new projects, workflows will live from rapid AI either design directly into scenario 3 or for automated CI/CD deployments. Networks and scale operation will rely on automatic edge routing and intelligent-driven configuration. Despite these immense opportunities, the integration of GenAI brings serious friction points. First, Is intellectual property accountability blurred ownership lines require mature legal frameworks for software liability? Second, software education must evolve from teaching simple syntax to teaching architecture, from engineering and LLM verification. Finally, the threat of AI-generated malware is real, forcing teams to embed a strict security by design model early in development. Synthesizing both journals reveals two powerful joint takeaways. First, automation is the non-negotiable central axis for cutting costs and elevating software reliability, whether it's managing DOMs locators in testing or auto-generating logic via LLMs. Second, as per software engineering roles are undergoing a major shift. Developers are transitioning from being simple code tipsies to master system architect and quality assurance coordinator. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it insightful and goodbye.